Father, everyone in our village remembers your grandfather. He was the one who taught us how to grow rice. Everyone respected him because he was so smart. So his father tells Yuki about this grandfather. He's telling that his grandfather was a very great and a very smart man because he was the one who had taught all the villagers how to grow rice. Now since they are celebrating this fine rice harvest festival, so his father is telling us that his grandfather, Yuki's grandfather, was the reason that everybody in the village now knows how to grow rice, and that is the reason why everybody respects him a lot. Yuki's mother steps out of the house. First villager, village boy, and other villagers will walk back and forth across the stage in small groups. They are all decorating the village. So, just when his father was talking about his grandfather, Yuki's grandfather, Yuki's mother comes out and they can see other villagers who are walking back and forth and are decorating their village. Mother, there you two are. We have a lot to do before tonight. If this is going to be a great celebration, then we better get to work. Father, Yuki and I were just talking about grandfather. Mother, yes, we all miss grandfather, Yuki, but we remember him every day by doing things the way he had taught us. So, when his mother comes out and sees both the boys were talking, she told them that if you want this celebration to be a great success, then we must work a lot to make it a successful celebration. So his father replied that we were just talking about how great Yuki's grandfather was. So his mother tells that yeah, he was a really great man and we always remember him for all the things he has taught us. To Yuki's father, okay dear, that's enough memories for today. Let's get cracking. Yuki, can you work by himself for a while? So after they have a brief discussion about Yuki's grandfather, his mother tells that we remember him every day, but now it is better for every one of us to get back to work because there is a lot of work to be done for our celebration. So she tells his son that you take the basket of fruit and go to the sea and make sure that all the fruits are cleaned properly. So now when they have already decorated the house, his mother is giving Yuki another task of going to the sea and cleaning all the fruits properly. Father, you know how she gets worked up before a festival. I had better go and help her. Quickly runs off stage after mother. First villager, village boy, and other villagers have been walking back and forth across the stage behind Yuki and his family. Suddenly, Yuki feels the earth shake under his feet, but no one else seems to notice. So, what happened when his mother tells them that we have talked enough about our memories, it is better to get back to work because we have a lot of works to do before the celebration starts, and tells Yuki that you go and wash the fruits in the sea. After this she goes off the stage, and when she goes, his father tells Yuki that you know your mother, right? She gets all worked up when a celebration is going to happen. This happens in real life with us also, right? When there is any festival in the house, you will see your mothers are the one who work a lot. They are the ones who get tensed up very easily, like what are the fruits to be brought, if you're having the new clothes you have to wear them when, or the house has to be decorated, all the things, all the dishes have to be made perfect. These are all the duties which you will see generally the ladies, your grandmother, your mother, your aunts will do. So likewise, Yuki's mother, she was also very worked up because of the work they had. So his father explained this, and he also went outside the stage after his mother. So now there is only Yuki left on the stage, and he can see several other villages. So now it is just Yuki on the stage, and there are several other villagers who are walking back and forth. And suddenly what happens, he feels a shake under his feet. Suddenly he feels something is moving under his feet. This is what Yuki felt, but the other villagers did not feel anything. They were just walking by normally.